Okay, we've shaped this down. So we got it rounded down. That's going to fit inside the body good. That's where I want it to be. So now we're going to take our sanding disc here and we're going to further shape this down, and then we'll take our belt sander and go over the whole thing once over. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. So you see how that smooths it down some. So we're going to finish with this, and then we'll use our palm sander and go over the whole thing. Thanks for watching.